Hello to everyone from the Yummy Delicious World Foods channel. Today, we will make a flavor that warms us up on cold winter days, namely lentil soup, together. We would be delighted if you could support us by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and not forgetting to turn on the notification bell. Let's get started then. Ingredients: 1 cup of lentils, 1 potato, half an onion, 1 carrot, 2 cloves of garlic, 6 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika. Additional ingredients for the soup sauce: 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of mint. First, place our lentils in a deep pot. Chop the onions and peeled carrots into it. Add the peeled and washed potato and 2 cloves of garlic as well. Then pour 6 cups of water into the pot. Cook on high heat until it boils and then simmer for 30 minutes. After half an hour, use a blender until it reaches a smooth consistency. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of paprika and stir. For the sauce on top, pour 1 tablespoon of butter and vegetable oil into a separate pot. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of mint over the melted butter. Add our sauce to the boiling soup. Stir one more time and our soup is ready. Enjoy your meal. And as always, let's not forget to add our informative footnote. Lentil soup is an ancient dish. Its roots go back to prehistoric times and have become a common flavor among geographies such as Southern Europe, Mediterranean countries, and the Middle East. It was first recorded in history during the Roman Empire. Stay tuned for many more videos. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video to support our channel, subscribe, and activate the notification button. Looking forward to seeing you on beautiful and healthy days.